Hello,
Hello.
everyone.
Hey, everybody.
Hi, today this is really informal. We're doing this Google Developers live from a hackathon we're just running. So nothing has been prepared today,
No.
and this is gonna be, well, hopefully it's gonna work.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna have people around here. So what's going on, Nicholas?
So today we're running a little hackathon. So a bunch of people came yesterday and to basically learn about Google Drive and start hacking, on Google Drive, basically building apps that are going to use Google Drive. And we have a bunch of prizes to give to the best teams. So today, at the end of, the end of this afternoon, like 3 p.m., basically, we'll decide on who's the best team, who have built the best Google Drive integration with their app. And we have a bunch of prizes.
Should we tell about the prizes, and then people at
cool.
home will just be angry at us? Okay, so we have 3 Chromebook Pixels. So you know the new Chromebook. If you heard about it, it's probably a bit expensive, but it's an amazing Chromebook. You should probably check it out
Amazing
as soon
device,
as you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just beautiful. But so 3 lucky people here will get one, and then we added a special prize. I'm pretty sure many of you tried to register for Google I/O yesterday, and I know some of you succeeded, but I also know that many of you probably didn't succeed. So we decided to add an extra prize for people here today, and sorry about you guys at home, but so for the best app, we will decide. So there's going to be like a special prize for one of the apps, and that special prize is going to be Google I/O ticket.
Yeah. So if you didn't win the ClickFest yesterday,
it's called registration process.
The registration process. Sorry, you might still have a chance to win.
Well, if you were here
today,
now,
if you are here,
so you
or
still
if you're
have
coming very soon.
you still have 2 hours. You might want to come here in the next 2 hours. We're in the Google campus.
Yeah.
You should just go back in time to yesterday, register, fill the form, and write an app that uses Google Drive. That's the easy part. Writing an app for Google Drive only takes 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then write the best app, actually. And then win. Impress us. Win. And then you get a ticket to Google I/O. Easy. Right?
Yeah.
So if you can stay here for a couple of minutes and tell a couple of jokes,
Okay.
I will go around, grab some of the participants, and have them here, and they will talk about their plans to dominate the world and win the hackathon.
Okay. Or
Just give me a
repeat
second.
What you said.
Okay, yeah.
Teddy is going around, grab a couple of people who are gonna basically pitch their idea. What they're building, and I'm almost out of ideas. So here you go.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Could you tell us your name?
My name is KB Sriram,
Okay.
and there it is.
You can see yourself here on the camera. And so you're here today at the Google Drive Hackathon. So what apps are you building? What app are you building? Something nice.
I've been.
You have to look at the people.
I've been.
That's what Claudia's
I've been
telling
interested
us.
in privacy for a long time.
Yeah.
I used to work at HP and Snapfish, and been doing startups for a long time.
Okay, cool.
And over the years, I've become interested in privacy issues. So Google Drive, of course, is a good place for such applications, I think. And so the thing I'm prototyping at this hackathon is a way to share files securely on Google Drive, which puts the control of the sharing in the hands of the user rather than exclusively relying on Google Drive itself. So for example, you want to share, say, it's tax time coming up and you want to share bank statements with your accountant. You might not want Google or connected apps to index those apps necessarily, or there might be other files of that same nature. So what I have is an app that's installed on the mobile clients, and they use public key cryptography. So the keys are attached with the device, and so the files are always encrypted with the other person's public key.
Okay.
So it's secure and it doesn't rely on any third party to do the work.
Are you going to win?
Are you going to win today? Yes.
It sounds very tempting. I think the I/O ticket is the most tempting price of all, even more than the Chrome ticket.
Despite the monetary value being less than the Chromebook.
This is true, but I think the desirability is more. I think.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think I'd be happy just to be here. It's a great opportunity. So
awesome.
it's great to meet you guys.
We're happy to have you. About your team, are you coding alone today, or? Do you have a
I'm
small team?
unfortunately coding alone.
Okay.
There's just one Google I/O ticket.
I think that's a good match.
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
I think Claudio has another participant. Hello,
Hi.
hello. Could you please tell us your name then?
Uh,
And maybe tell us a bit about yourself and about your project that you're building here.
yeah, my
Anything
name.
you want to tell to the world, you can do it as well.
Ooh, hello. How are you? No. My name's Jay. I'm building what amounts to a standardized place for everyone to start putting their tickets with Google Drive, and additionally, just I'm going to eventually try to open source uh, the biggest issue I see nowadays is I sign up for a lot of events and go to a lot of these sorts of things, and I never have the authentication to actually get through to some of these things. And I know a good deal of conference organizers that I'm trying to put one on later in the year, and it costs $25,000 to actually mail out all of these conference attendee badges where you could just drop it all into everyone's drive in a unified place. And not only do you have a way for people to print them out again, but you can easily create an authenticated, easy way of knowing who you're giving things to. That and trying to suggest a cool new way of offering tickets to things.
Cool.
Is your app better than the previous one?
Yeah.
What
How
was
is your app better than all the other people?
Well, I made it. No.
We'll see. So today the demos are going to start at 1 p.m. All these people are all these great people are going to come and show us what they've built in just basically 24 hours. How they're how they're integrating with Google Drive, and there's a small jury made of the Google Drive team. We'll pick a winner and distribute the prizes. So. And about your team, you're alone, right? Also,
I'm alone. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Well, you're going for the Google I/O ticket, basically, or yeah.
Hopefully,
Okay.
it's a really cool conference, and there's always advancements on HTML5, and Google Glass is likely going to have another update there, and that's all you developers out there. Putting Drive and Glass together is probably going to be a huge market in the future. So hopefully we can, all see what's coming up there.
Cool. Well,
Thank you and good luck.
thank you for coming.
And we got another one, and that's it. And then the other one is
Okay.
secret.
A third
Just keep coming up.
team.
Well, a team of one
A team of one again. Sorry.
again. Yeah, you need to find a real
Somehow
team.
we
You need to
didn't
a bunch of
get
people up
any
here.
bigger team to
Yep.
come to this Google Developer Live. So yeah, could you tell us your name, present, what tell us about yourself and tell us about your project as well.
Yeah. I'm Dan Stormont. I'm a computer engineer here in Silicon Valley, live here in Mountain View. Mainly I came here just because I wasn't really familiar with the Google Drive API, so I just wanted to come learn a little bit more about it. The app I have is a pretty simple one. I've got a friend who sells real estate down in the Antelope Valley of California, and I've been updating her webpage, so I wanted to put a Google map up there that she could highlight properties on. And so I figured, well, if I can do that through Drive, so she can work with something that's easy for her to work with, just a form in Google Drive, and then I could pull out what I need to populate the info bubbles on the map, then that would be pretty cool and something that might be doable in a short period of time. So that's what I've been messing around with.
Oh, cool.
And we'll see if I
So
get there or not. But
you'd basically pull lines inside a Google spreadsheet and draw that on the map basically.
and yeah, do the geolocation and then
information.
post the pin and the info bubble with it to say this is the address and how many bedrooms and bathrooms it has and the list price and all that stuff.
All right.
And you can see, I'm wearing the Google I/O shirt, so I was ready. But
good riddance maybe.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter, but it's just good to be here and
Yeah.
find out some more about the API with the people who know.
Okay.
Thanks.
Great. Thanks for
Then
joining
you
us.
asked for a team.
So
There's a
yeah,
team.
since somehow we only picked teams of one, here is a real team today. Just to show you that we also have teams.
Yeah, we also have team here.
So again, could you just tell us your name, a bit about yourself and your project?
Yeah, so I'm Arnaud. I'm a co-founder of Unishared, which is a platform for social note-taking, leveraging Google Docs and let students collaborate on documents. So we are here to build a side application for online students to take notes while watching videos.
Okay.
So our main idea was to embed the video and an editor and store all the information on Google Drive. That's why we are here.
Cool.
And last night we worked on the synchronization between video and notes.
Okay.
I met two other guys who work with me now, which is really cool. And one of the guy has the same idea, so it started on the mobile application. So hopefully we can.
So you teamed up.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Hopefully we will have a web application and a mobile application tonight, this afternoon.
Okay, that would be awesome.
What if you win the Google I/O ticket? Are you gonna fight over it?
Yeah, it will be a really hard fight.
Would you take the Pixel or the Google I/O ticket?
I don't know for the moment.
Okay.
We have to talk about it.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
Well,
you.
thanks for joining us.
Thanks for inviting us.
Back to Claudio.
Okay. And I'm also part of a team. It's called the Google Drive Developer Relations team. But yeah, we're not competing, unfortunately.
No, too bad.
Yeah, we're not getting these pixels.
Well, no.
Yeah.
I would like a Pixel though.
Yeah, well, maybe we can
Would be
get
nice.
one. Okay, so yeah, people are coding here. They still have a couple of hours, and then they will have to present what they have built, and then we will have to decide. So, are we part of the jury?
I am part of the jury, definitely.
Oh,
and I
you're
think you
more
are as
important
well.
than me.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. So we'll have to decide, and then we'll assign prizes. And I guess tomorrow or like next week, we'll write a blog post to talk about this event, how it went, and who won, and what was the app. And maybe some of the apps will be open source, and we will share the links with you. So I think we should go back to coding.
Yeah.
And yeah, thanks to all of you for joining live. This was fun. I mean, we've never done this before. It's like going live and no
event.
studio, no infrastructure.
The little studio, it's my laptop. It's
Yeah,
great.
just don't say it. Just say this is a professional studio, and we have perfect microphones and everything else is working in lighting. Okay, and with that, thank you so much for joining us. I'm Claudio. This is Nicolas. We are in the Drive Developer Relations team. See you next time.
See you. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.